couple of years ago, I created a t-shirt design here on this channel that actually became one of my hits. So I thought, instead of creating new design from scratch, why not take that exact same design and use it to test something a lot of us need right now: marketing content. The problem was, I only had the design as a transparent PNG, no lifestyle shots, no product mockups, no promo videos, nothing. So I wanted to see if one platform could take that single design file and help me generate everything I needed for marketing: images, UGC videos, and even animated clips for social media, in addition to mockups, of course. My goal was simple: take this one transparent design file and see if Pollo AI could help me build a complete marketing package around it, all without needing to jump into multiple platforms. So the first thing I did was head into the image generation section inside Pollo AI. Since I only had this flat PNG design, I needed actual media assets that looked usable for marketing. I even tested the image generation model first by creating a couple of nice images using a simple prompt and using some of the image generation models provided by the platform, and they turned out to be really well. And the platform also has a lot of styles that you can use if you are looking for a specific style of images that you want to generate. So I started by getting my PNG file and going to the AI image generation models on the platform. As you can see, the platform has lots of models: the Pollo AI models, the Google Nano Banana 2 and the Google Nano Banana Pro, the 𝗖𝗟𝗓𝗏, the Midjourney, the Flux models, and much more. And there are different tabs at the top where you can choose and switch between the AI video and the AI image models, in addition to the AI agent. And under the AI video models, there are also all the models available that you can use to turn any image to video. So first I went to the AI image generation tab and pressed on the plus sign to insert my PNG flat design. So this is how the design is going to look like. I left the aspect ratio as is, 3:4, and pressed OK. And now I started to enter my prompt. Just a very simple prompt. This is my transparent t-shirt design, streetwear focus, and I would like to have it on a couple of male models wearing it on the front of a black t-shirt in a streetwear vibe. And press on the generate button. You can choose between having 4 images at the same time or more than that. I started by inserting the design and writing prompts to generate different types of images, and I started getting real nice images of models wearing my design. And this is where the platform immediately became useful, because instead of me needing one tool for mockups, another tool for lifestyle renders, and another tool for image cleanup, I could do the whole process in one place. So this is because I tested different image generation models inside the platform to see which style gave the best results for apparel and streetwear presentation. Some gave me cleaner product-focused mockups, while others were better for more realistic on-model lifestyle content. So I switched between the Flux model, the 𝗖𝗟𝗏 model, the Pollo AI model, and the Nano Banana model, and I kept generating images. What I liked is that all the images that I got kept the real essence of the design while placing it on different models. So I was able to test many different image generation models from one place, and I was able to build marketing assets and media images for my design from the same platform. And by the way, you can keep generating images without waiting for the previous results to finish. So I generated flat apparel style product images, and I also generated lifestyle fashion images on plain apparel and on male models. The ones using the Flux 2 Max model and the Nano Banana 2 model were one of the best, were my favorite ones. I was also able to play with the ratio of the images and also the number of output generations that I need. That alone already gives you a full visual direction for product promotion. Having all this variety of images that looks like a professional studio photos all inside one platform on one window is really amazing. But what made it even better is that I could also edit any of the generated images directly inside the platform. So instead of exporting it somewhere else, fixing it and bringing it back, the platform provides lots of editing tools that you can use to play with your image or adjust it or regenerate similar ones. You can even download the images in full high resolution like 1K or up to 4K. So this image, for example, had some text generated at the top of the design that I wanted to delete. So I used the in-paint feature inside Pollo AI to simply remove the extra text. Just press on the in-paint button, choose your brush size, mark the area, and write your prompt. A very simple prompt that says remove the text was used, and then you can press on the generate button, and the platform is going to generate a new image without the extra text. And that's one of the biggest points for me here. Pollo AI started feeling less like a single purpose tool and more like a creative workspace. So I wasn't just generating, I was iterating, adjusting, and building a full visual campaign from one design. So once I had a solid batch of images, I moved to the second part. User-generated content videos are really trending right now on TikTok and social media platforms, and Pollo AI also has a dedicated section for UGC video ads. So you can press on the UGC video ads button from the home screen, and this will directly switch to the AI agent. And this is where the AI agent side of Pollo AI really started to stand out. Instead of just throwing my images into a generator and hoping for the best, the platform actually guided the process. So first I had to insert all my generated images that I have downloaded before that I have generated before on the platform by pressing on the plus sign and uploading all the media files that I would like to use for the UGC video. So I uploaded the media that I had already generated in part 1, the product shots, apparel images, and streetwear lifestyle visuals, and used those as the base for the UGC video. You can also add your own avatar using the avatar plus button, or upload your own images, or use one of the default avatars built inside the platform. So you can choose between some public avatars or leave the avatar on auto. I'm going to choose the industry apparel and leave everything else as is. So you have the option to choose between different industries or leave the AI agent to decide everything later. So I entered my prompt. I wanted a creator style short ad where someone says they found the perfect summer graphic tee using these images. So once you press on the generate, the AI agent inside Pollo AI will start taking you step by step. So the AI agent kept asking me useful questions about the product angle, the vibe, the video time, the platform, and then it asked me about the product or the brand title and the product description. So the AI agent kept refining the output by asking follow-up questions, and of course that's a huge difference compared to tools where you need to know exactly what you type from the start. It even suggested multiple variations and multiple angles for the UGC video. It asked me to choose between a discovery, a motivational, response bubble, or don't worry style of video. So I choose the motivational style by just selecting the number on the screen, and accordingly the AI agent suggested an avatar for my video. Again, you can change the avatar, upload your own photo, or confirm the avatar by pressing on the set as avatar. And the result is that the AI agent started generating preview videos using the avatar and the product information that I have entered. And once the previews are generated, you can simply press on any video to see how it looks, but the accurate lip syncing will be applied to the final selected video. So I chose a couple of videos, I decided to download them, and here is the final result.
I am constantly amazed by how what we wear can completely change how we feel inside. With Modesta Apparel, you'll discover how your clothing choices don't just reflect your mood, they actively shape it. The first time I put on the Sketcher Studio Surf California graphic tee, I felt like I belonged somewhere bold and limitless, like summer never had to end. That mix of retro color and street style gave me real confidence. See for yourself. Grab this tee today and step into your own California-inspired story. Trust me, this is absolutely the best deal you'll ever get on a statement-making summer tee. The Limitless Summer Tee is your chance to show off your style and attract the right energy this season. The first time I put on the 𝗗𝗓𝗏𝗧 California graphic tee, I felt like I belonged somewhere bold and limitless, like summer never had to end. That mix of retro color and street style gave me real confidence. See for yourself. Grab this tee today and step into your own California-inspired story.
So instead of one static product concept, and I now had ad style video content that could be used for social media, product promotion, or testing different creative angles. For anyone selling merch or print-on-demand products, this is honestly one of the strongest use cases. You create the design once, generate the visuals, and then let the platform help you turn them into social-ready video ads. And again, the key point is that I did not need to leave the platform. The design started as a transparent file, became polished media assets, and then became UGC videos, all in the same workflow. Final part I tested was something I think a lot of creators are going to love, the transitions. Pollo AI lets you create short animated videos by choosing a start frame and an end frame, then applying one of its transition templates. So to do that, you can simply press on the Pollo Transitions tab on the home screen, and this will take you to the transition dashboard where you get to insert the start frame and the end frame. So I took the images I had already generated and used them as a start and end frame to create 10-second video clips of the design. So this is perfect if you want quick content for Reels, Shorts, TikTok, or even product page visuals. You can choose the transition you want by simply pressing on the change icon at the top, and you will get to choose between different transition templates. So just enter your start frame and end frame images, and you can press on the change button to choose between different transition types available on the platform. Choose your preferred transition. Make sure to have your start frame and end frame images or videos. By the way, choose the length of the video and press on the generate button, and here are the results. So what I liked most here is that it gives your design content another layer. Instead of just showing the t-shirt in a still image, you can turn it into something that feels dynamic and premium. So a lot of us already know how to make designs, but the bigger problem is what comes after. How do you present them, market them, and turn them into content people actually notice? And this is why Pollo AI stood out to me in this test. It helped bridge the gap between design creation and actual marketing content. So if you are someone who wants one place to build visual content around your products and e-commerce visuals, instead of stitching together 5 different tools, this workflow makes a lot of sense. So overall, I think the most impressive thing here is that I started with one old design file and ended up with a full set of marketing assets built around it and inside one platform. So if you want to check out Pollo AI for yourself, I'll leave the link in the description. And if you are into AI tools for merch design, print on demand, and e-commerce, make sure you subscribe, because that's exactly what we do here on 𝗗𝗓𝗏 Merch Design. Also, let me know in the comments which part of this workflow would be most useful for you: the image generation, the UGC video creation, or the transition videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.